We're heading to Central Park in the December 26, 2010 blizzard, and we're gonna go sledding. And wait, Pablo is coming with me. Hello, Pablo. I know he just looks like a big black blob right now. We made it to Central Park. It really is a blizzard. And we heard a couple of other brave souls. People screaming. All right, take a look at Pablo. He has icicles on his eyebrows. Oh, I see some people sliding down.
Yeah. All right, come on, let's go.
Okay.
Straight down.
All right, honey. Yeah, baby.
All right.
Anything you want me to tell your family if you don't come back?
No. It's all good.
Oh my God. Watch out for the tree. Oh my God, he's steering it. Going down the mountain. It's not really a mountain, it's called the whole hill.
Go ahead, you push. Go.
Yeah. This is what happens in a snowstorm when you don't wear waterproof mascara. Yeah, baby. This is how we roll in New York City. I am getting a ride. Oh, hello, dog. Hello. I am cruising in style. Being pulled by Pablo, my trusty cameraman. Thanks, Pablo. He comes in handy, this guy. Pablo, do you have anything to say about this hill? Hold on, you're not clear yet. I don't want to kill Pablo. He's a good egg. Go!